My name is Muni Adarsh from a Jain sect, Ajramar Sampradaya. I was well known as Gogri or Amit Gogri while I used to study in Sweet Memories Hostel and Dawn Academy. This is a great opportunity for me to speak about Sweet Memories Hostel School and Mrs. Chandraben Shah, who is my godmother. In Sanskrit it is said, one mother is equal to 100 teachers. But today I will to create a new sentence, one teacher is equal to 100 mother. Yes, she is none other than Mrs. Chandraben Shah. She has produced so many brilliant minds. From her heart she has given emotions, she has given intelligence from her mind, and she has given energy from her soul. I would like to tell you a story about a small child who fails in first standard, second standard, third standard, fourth standard. In all the four classes he fails, but he is promoted due to some or the other means. Now when he is failed in fifth standard, he is not allowed to promote by any means, and finally parents have decided to keep this child in a hostel or a boarding school. He changes three boarding schools in Panchgini itself, Oaks, St. Peter's, and finally at Sweet Memories Hostel. A failed child who is not allowed to go to school in previous months, after passing June, July, August, gets a coaching class, and in September he is admitted to the school where in his first exam he receives more than 80% of marks. A child who has failed from 5 years, he achieved 80% of marks, no one can believe. And that child, he is preaching hundreds and thousands of people today fluently in English, where he even did not know his own mother tongue, he could not speak fluently. Today he speaks in English. That child is none other than me. And I am blessed to have Mrs. Chandraben Shah as my mother. Everybody, you all know that Sri Krishna had two mothers, Yashoda, who had brought him up, and Devaki, who had gave him birth. I would like to say that my mother is Devaki and Mrs. Chandraben Shah is Yashoda for me. My spiritualism has come from there. My intelligence has based over there, and my emotions all were also rooted over there. All the three questions of my life were rooted in Sweet Memories Hostel. I was the 15th student of Mrs. Chandraben Shah. I think that she was a doctor who checked my nerves and she understood my problems. I think Mrs. Chandraben Shah is engineer. She worked on me, on my mechanism. I think Chandraben Shah is a psychiatrist who knows how all children behave. I think Chandraben is a lawyer who knows how to argue on the right time and how to give justice. She has done obligations on me from past so many years. Even after I renunciated, I had a goal of doing Ubdhan in Sthanakvasi sect, which was itself a revolution in Sthanakvasi sect. And in that great work, she not only gave me her premises, but she also gave me hearty blessings, and along with that, all her support, and with all her might and valor, a great event of Sthanakvasi sect, which would be remembered for years in the history of Sthanakvasi sect, was organized by her, and her last words were that I have not taken so many efforts even for my children's marriage. That much I have taken efforts for this Ubdan Tap. More than that Ubdan Tap, she has taken efforts personally for me, and till today I am obliged by her. Whatever heights I have reached, she is one of the main pillar of building my life. I cannot forget her obligations she has done on me. I would rather say I could make a documentary of 1.5 hours. She is not only a parasmani which turns iron into gold, she makes iron to parasmani itself. And I would always remember till the last breath of my life, until the last tip of blood in my body, I will remember her obligations. Never can I forget Mrs. Chandra Ben Shah and Sweet Memories Hostel and all the memories of 6 years I stayed over there.